Yo, what's up mga kabeklogs? Good morning. Today, itatry natin mag-apply for monetization sa YouTube. But first, check muna natin kung eligible na ba si YouTuber for monetization. Check natin kung na-meet na ni YouTuber yung requirements ni YouTube na 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Actually, this is not my account. Tutulungan natin yung kaibigan natin si Wilson TV na i-apply kasi nasa Pilipinas siya ngayon at mahirap daw ang internet connection.
And you're watching Backlogs.
Okay, nandito tayo sa screen ng YouTube. Punta tayo sa YouTube Studio. Okay. And then, we will see sa monetization. Dito sa menu list, punta ka lang sa may dollar sign na may monetization caption. And then, let's check. Okay. Yon, na-meet na ni YouTuber yung requirements ni YouTube na 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Sobra-sobra pa siya. Yan, ngayon i-apply na natin to today. Tapos check natin kung paano i-apply para sa mga katulad nating bagong YouTubers. Once na meet na nila ang requirements ni YouTube, alam na natin kung paano i-apply ang monetization. Okay, after mong i-click yon, let's go back. Balik tayo, nandito tayo sa dashboard. Balik tayo sa monetization para lang sa step by step guide makita ng mga viewers natin. Okay, na-meet niya na. Then apply now. Usually i-email ka naman ni YouTube kung na-meet mo na yung requirements niya. Sasabihan ka niya na na-meet mo na at pwede ka na mag-apply for monetization. Pero minsan kasi medyo delay. Check mo na dito para agad mo nang may apply. Hindi mo na kailangan antayin yung email ni YT. Ito, channel monetization. Nandito na tayo sa loob. Step 1, not started. Basahin natin. Review partner program terms. Read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. Okay, let's start. After clicking start, ito yung lalabas. Yung terms and conditions. Parang kumbaga contract mo kay YouTube monetization. Understand terms, monetization revenues, payment account requirement, payment terms, limitations and taxes, termination, number 5, governing law, 6, miscellaneous, and accept lang natin. Pero syempre, importanteng mabasa natin to. Then after reading, accept terms. Okay, step 1 is done. Basically, yun lang. I-accept mo lang yung terms doon. Mag-agree ka lang dun sa agreement. Then, step 1 is done. Let's go. Proceed to step 2. Step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to make monetize and get paid. Okay, kung may AdSense account ka na, I'm not sure kung paano ka ida-direct ni YouTube kung may AdSense account ka na. Pero dito, we will create one. Okay, let's start. Do you have an existing AdSense account? Let's select. No, I don't have an existing account. And then, on the screen, choose the Google account that you want to create an AdSense account with. You will be redirected to AdSense to create a new account. Once you are finished, you will be redirected back to YouTube. Continue. Yun, pumasok tayo sa AdSense, sa Google AdSense. Tapos, i-click natin yung account na gagamitan natin ng AdSense. Okay, in this case, kay Wilson TV. Website. Ito yung mismong environment ng screen. Yung channel name. Website. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Click mo lang. No, don't send me. Okay. Dun tayo sa yes para updated tayo. Select your country or territory. In this case, nasa Philippines na si Backlogs na Wilson TV. Okay. And then, please review and accept our terms and conditions. Mga online sa alituntunin ng serbisyo ng Google AdSense. Ito naman terms and conditions to ng Google AdSense. Okay. Siyempre, importanteng basahin. In this case, para mapabilis. Yes. Nabasa na natin before. Create an account. Wait lang. Check natin kung tama ba. Backread. Create account. Ads made easy. We do the work so you don't have to. Automated ads on your site across all devices. Get started. Okay, nandito tayo sa payment address details. Ito yung address kung saan ka babayaran ni YouTube. Or yung address mo na i-apply mo sa AdSense para ipadala yung AdSense pin mo. Let's go to payment address, customer info. Okay, ito. Customer info, account type, tapos individual of course. Tapos name and address. In this case, papalitan natin yung pangalan dito sa name. Kasi doon i-address yung ano yun. Sa kanya i-address yung kung sinong magre-receive doon sa Pilipinas. Sa mismong account holder. Of course, ang channel names naman natin, hindi yung totoong pangalan natin minsan. Kaya ito, mas maigi ilagay yung talagang pangalan mo, given name. Tapos address line 1, address line 2, required yung address line 1. Okay, more on address to. Postcode, suburb, town, city, province, and phone number. And then submit. So yun, fill upan muna natin to. So yun, after natin i-apply yung fill upan yung address information, click lang yung submit. verify your phone number. AdSense requires a verified phone number for access. Use the international format. Okay. Please select how Google will provide you a verification code. Text message. Just make sure tama yung nilagay nyong cellphone number para i-verify yung phone number nyo. It's either through text message or voice call. So, that's it basically mga kabeklogs. After natin mag-apply ng Google AdSense, ibabalik tayo dito sa YouTube Studio. And then, step 1 done. Lalabas sa step 2. After natin mag-apply ng Google AdSense, in progress. Then, after nyan, once it's ready, lalabas din dyan, done. Magiging done to. And then, on the third phase, or on step 3, lalabas dito is in progress. So, yon, ito na mga kabeklogs. Ito yung update. As of this afternoon, kaka-fill up lang natin kaninang umaga ng application for monetization. After natin mag-apply ng Google AdSense, ito, tumabas na sa step 2 yung done sa sign up for Google AdSense. It means na aprobahan na yung application natin for Google AdSense. And then for the next step, sa step 3, in progress na, hantayin na lang natin. It will be reviewed by the YouTube team kung eligible nga tayo for monetization. Siguro maghahantay tayo kung suswertihin tayo. In 2 days, monetize na ang channel ng kabeklogs nating si Wilson TV.
Kabeklogs ako!
Okay, so yon. In advance, i-claim na natin yan. Congratulations, Wilson TV. Congratulations, kabeklogs. At sana na-inspire mo ang mga small YouTubers na gaya natin na magpursige na ma-monetize ang kanilang mga channel. Salamat ulit. At sa iyo, Kuya Jazz Endoso, salamat. Isa ka sa malaki ang naitulong para mabilis na ma-monetize itong channel ni Wilson TV. At syempre, higit ang pasasalamat natin sa ating mga subscribers na kung hindi dahil sa kanila, kabeklogs kami! Hindi natin maaabot itong point ng monetization sa YouTube. Maraming salamat ulit, guys. So yon, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Please like and share this video. Comment ka na rin kung may tanong ka. And please, kung hindi ka pa kabeklogs,
kabeklogs ako!
click mo lang yung subscribe button para isa ka na sa mga kabeklogs. And click mo na rin yung bell button para lagi kang notified every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong video. So, yun ulit mga kabeklogs, check natin in 2 days kung maaprobahan na or mamamonetize na yung channel ni Wilson TV. Salamat guys. Thank you.